data mining with our project is data mining with big data. We're collecting the data from Twitter database. Since Twitter database is a global database, it can be considered as a big data. We are implementing spectral clustering and we are using Hayes theorem to implement the big data characteristics. Here we are using spectral clustering and the data will be clustered based on the selected criteria. For example, when we have three criteria: location, hashtags, and retweet count. For example, when we select the location and submit it, we'll get different locations. Those locations are clustered using spectral clustering, and when we select a particular location, we'll get the tweets which are popular in that particular location. In the code we have given a particular date, which is 8th November. The tweets which are present in the Twitter database on 8th November in in the selected location is shown here. And using the retweet count, we can know what is the mm, popular tweet on that particular day in that particular location, so that we can know the people's interest. And when we submit the location again, we'll get the different set of locations here. And next, coming to the hashtags, and selecting the hashtags and submitting it gives the different set of hashtags. And when we select a particular hashtag, we'll get the mm, tweets which are related to that particular hashtag. For example, I have selected Dhoni, and all the mm, tweets which are related to the hashtag Dhoni will be shown here. And then when we select the retweet count and submit it, for every tweet, when we retweet it, the memory is not separately allocated. The variable count is present, and this count will be incremented every time when we retweet it, so that the memory will be saved. And when we select the retweet count, it will show the tweets which are having the retweet count 5. And with the help of this retweet count, we can know what is the interest of the people on that particular day. For example, I have selected 100. We'll get the tweet with the retweet count 100. The main purpose of this project is to know the people's interest. Thank you.